Shama, did you know that the violin really originated in Italy and did not reach India until the early 19th century?
Yes, it was first heard in our part of the world when the English military bands came.
And it was introduced into Carnatic music with some modifications by Balaswami Dikshidhar, the brother of Muthuswami Dikshidhar. So it's hardly surprising that our artists today will bring a fusion of music on their violins.
Today, we have internationally acclaimed violin maestros, Dr. M. Lalita and M. Nandini, who have been widely applauded as the queens of violin, the only female duo in Asia to perform world music, South Indian classical, fusion, and Western classical music. Reading about them was indeed an eye-opener, sharing with you all some of the highlights of their background. They are the fourth generation of musicians in their family and have been awarded several prizes, awards, and titles by various organizations. They were, of course, awarded the prestigious title of Kalaimamani, which is the highest honor in music and performing arts conferred by the state government of Tamil Nadu. They were awarded with the US and UK government's highest award. Dr. M. Lalita has been awarded the Fulbright Fellowship in Performing Arts, while M. Nandini has been awarded with the Charles Wallace Trust Fellowship in Performing Arts. It is no wonder that they have been selected as cultural ambassadors to the US and UK. Lalita and Nandini are highly proficient in Western classical music, world music, trans-global fusion music, musicology, and ethnomusicology. They have specialized in the different musical traditions of the world. These talented sisters, apart from performing violin duets, have also collaborated with musicians representing different genres of music like Carnatic, Hindustani, Western classical, jazz, etc. Lalita has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, in Indian music for her thesis, a comparative study of the violin techniques in Western and Southern Indian classical music, while Nandini holds a triple master's degree, one in information science, one in Indian music, and one in ethnomusicology from the University of London. Their music is envisioned by the sisters as an offering to the divine. They have specialized in playing varnams in different grades of tempo and in playing kalpana swaras in many grades of speed, which is a prominent and unique feature of their style of violin playing. A multi-talented duo, well-versed in foreign languages. Their other interests include painting, Tanjore painting, fashion designing, social service, writing poems, photography, yoga, Reiki, and meditation. We are truly honored by their presence here today and are all ears to listen to their mellifluous music.
It's early in the morning. I think we can all do better than that on the applause. Thank you. Past International Inner Wheel Treasurer and the pride of Inner Wheel Anywhere, Araga Annamalai, will now greet the artists on behalf of all of us. Thank you, past International Inner Wheel Treasurer Araga. We can all now sit back, relax, and try to keep the conversation at zero level so that we can hear some brilliant violin playing.
Lalita and myself are very delighted to be part of Confetti. Thank you very much for inviting us to perform for this wonderful event. In today's short recital, we will be accompanied by Sridharan Shankaran on the Mridangam and Shri Shivaramakrishnan on the Ghattam. We will be beginning our short recital with a Kriti, an invocation, Mahaganapatim Manasa, in the raga Natai, set to Ekatalam, and a composition of Shri Muthuswami Dikshidhar. the district chairman, Srimati Kamala Selvam, wanted us to perform this composition as a beginning, as an invocation today. And so here we go. Mahaganapatim Manasa, the Ragam Natai, set to Ekatala. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We wanted to do, I think Mrs. Kamala ma'am wanted us to do two pieces in the sense one was classical, Carnatic, that which we did, and one is a fusion, for which Nandini and myself, we planned we would do folk from Nepal. Actually, when we were in Nepal for a concert performance tour, one of the first secretaries wanted us to do something combining the Nepalese music and the Indian classical music, and for which Nandini and myself played at the Royal Nepal Academy in front of the ambassador and the cultural minister of Nepal. And in that, we found out that there are many scales that which are common to Carnatic music and the world music, which we would love to present to you today. Thank you very much. And as it is the custom for us, for Carnatic, we do sit and play, but for Western classical, for fusion music, we stand and play. So, thank you. Thank you very much. We enjoyed performing here and hope you all loved our performance as well. Thank you very much, and thank you, Mrs. Kamala, for giving us this beautiful stage to perform.